Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Neha Pruthi, would start a new chapter with you, and that is the gift of the Maggie. See, firstly, we'll talk about the appropriateness of the title. Why Maggie? What is Maggie? It is not the 2 minute noodle Maggie. Rather, the Maggie with the group of three wise persons who has given precious gifts to Jesus at the time of his birth, right? So, we'll talk about this chapter here now, that on various occasions it is very customary to exchange the gifts as a token of love, and this chapter is about Della and Jim, and that is a poor young couple, and they also wanted to exchange the gifts on the occasion of Christmas. They did it, but at what cost they have bought the gifts for each other, we'll read about in this chapter, right? Fine, let's proceed. Della only had $1.87 with her. So this is the currency which she was having with her. This amount was saved because of her parsimony. Parsimony is not inability to spend the money, not willing to spend much of the money, to save the money. She bargained with the grocers and then she saves every single penny. Della loved Jim more than her own life. They were loving each other very much, and Della could save only $1.87. Jim would earn $20 a week, and out of which $8 used to go in the flats rent. Out of that $12, she could save $1.87. It was Christmas, and Della was crying because she was not having sufficient money to give a valuable gift to Jim. Then suddenly what happened? She started crying on the eve of Christmas because she was not having that much of money that she can buy or afford a good valuable gift for him. Then suddenly she stood up from the couch and then she decided to get her hair cut. Jim and Della had two great possessions and they were taking great pride in that. What were those possessions? Jim was having a golden watch which belonged to his father and the grandfather. That was in their hierarchy, it was their ancestral watch. And second was the Della's beautiful hair, and that falls like cascade of flowing water. Della decided to sell her hair. She thought over it a lot of times, and then finally she decided to sell them off to buy a precious gift for him. And Della went to a salon, and then the attendant asked her that the cost of the hair is $20. If she is interested, she can got the haircut and she would be paid $20. Della agreed to it and she got her haircut and she sold her hair for $20. Now what is the total currency with this girl? $1.87 which she has saved out of her parsimony, and $20 which she has earned by selling her hair. So finally she was having $21.87. She ransacked every shop and then finally got a beautiful fob chain of platinum for Jim. So finally for the golden watch which Jim was having, she have bought a fob chain. It was only made for Jim's watch, she realized. The chain was of $21 and Della bought that chain, and with remaining of 87 cents she went back home. When Della reached home, she was excited and nervous. Why she was excited? Excited to give the gift to Jim on this beautiful Christmas Eve. And she was nervous because she was thinking that maybe he will not like me with this haircut, with this hairstyle. She was thinking whether Jim would like me with such a haircut or not. Finally, Jim arrived and he was shocked to see Della. Why he was shocked? Let's read. He turned into a statue. He almost turned into a statue. He was not able to move. Della finally moved towards him and asked whether he likes his hair or not. She finally asked this question that do you like me in such a way or no? Jim looked about her and threw the gift on the table. Now, Jim was also having one gift for Della. And what was that gift? It was the comb which Della always wanted. The pair of comb with some clips which she always admired and which she always wanted. But she was knowing it is too costly, so she never demanded. She liked them, but she never wanted to possess them. But now the hair were gone. What was the use of those clips and comb when the hair are gone? Della cried loudly, and that was the gift which Jim had bought for Della. See, Della has bought a beautiful fob chain for Jim's watch, and this boy, Jim, has bought the comb and clip set for the beautiful hair of Della. So, finally, what happens? She finally said to Jim that my hair grows fast, so I would definitely use your gift very soon. Then Della handed over the fob chain to Jim and explained him that she got the haircut for Jim only. Then she said that I have got my haircut for you only. When Jim saw the fob chain, he said, Della, I have sold my wristwatch to buy you this comb set, and now this fob chain is too good for me to be used for now. So let's keep our gifts away, because this comb is of no use to you because you have got your hair cut. This fob chain is of no use to me because I have sold my golden watch to buy you this comb set. So these gifts are too good to be used for now. Let's keep them away and let's have some meal. And Della then said they finally decided to put their gifts away for a while. And now what does the moral say? Moral says nothing is impossible in love, where lovers have sacrificed each and every precious thing, and they have done the most impossible thing to prove their sincerity, devotion and faithfulness to each other. Right? This shows what is the value of sacrifices. Right? Thank you.